Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Saisha's Life Journey. This is Saisha. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, then thank you for coming back. So this is definitely not going to be long because this is an update on our truck. So basically, y'all, we coming to get the truck right now. So we're trying to get the keys right now to get the truck. I'm so ready to get out that Penske rental. So basically the Penske rental so far, we had a tire that blew on that Penske rental. We have the refrigerator not working. We have the service hoses that fell down. And so yeah, definitely ready to get out of that Penske rental. So we gotta take that down the street. And we're under a load right now, so we need to get to California by tomorrow morning to deliver this load. 3 locations. Here we're going to good old Reinhardt, whatever, Sacramento, Concord, that type of stuff. Oh gosh. Yeah, y'all, ain't looking forward to that. Northern California. Y'all know what happened last time. We're looking for the truck. Forgot what the truck looked like. There it is. I'm scared of you. I hope these people did their job correctly. Like, open that hood. We need to examine all the wiring real quick, because that definitely looks better. Let's see if this charge port, look right there.
Faced it a different way now. It's facing that way instead of out too.
Right. Definitely going to do a test by jackknifing that trailer though, to make sure that this 5th wheel, if it need to be moved back, that we go ahead and do that so it does not connect with no parts of that right there. Yeah. It's definitely replaced. What that battery, the battery ports looking like on the side. I wonder if they still black. Remember, we even had the power steering fluid leaking. They ain't replaced those. Well, we gotta get down the road. It smells good in here though, y'all. It do feel good to be back in something that smells good. Turn this fridge on because we don't have no fridge working in the Penske rental. The fridge don't work. We can't even turn the truck off. The freaking battery is not holding a charge. So like, ever since we went home to move Sanaya into college, we've been having to jump the truck every time we had to start it with the car. And we just left the house and basically we haven't turned that truck off in 2 days because like it won't start. The Penske rental.
Oh, you talking to your wall?
Yeah. So I ain't even gonna front, y'all. I'll be lying if I said I wasn't happy with being back in this truck. Like, I am like low-key happy to be back in this because I hate rental trucks And like the longer you stay in them, the more you start seeing stuff. Like we just be grossed out. So anyway, and on top of that, like finally we could just basically have our setup the way that we normally have it. And yeah, so I'm just praying that like it just don't have no more mechanical issues, because ain't nobody got time for that. Like we just need to just work, be safe, and yeah. So we're going to get our truck now. No, we already in our truck. We got to go take the Penske rental back to Penske, as well as, you know, move the stuff out. All right, it's time to do the move. What we're going to do is I'm going to pass Rich stuff from this truck to this truck. We're going to try to do this fast, where he's going to basically put everything up. And because y'all see it's hot as shit, we in the sun doing this. We don't have the shade like we did before. So let me give him my phone. Whew, we are moved in, y'all. So it took us about an hour and a half to move everything and situate everything. It feels so good to be moved back into the truck. Hopefully we do not have to do this again. So now we got to drop the truck off down the street. It's like 10 minutes away at Penske. And yeah, then we'll go ahead and head to California. So Rich about to drive the Penske truck over. And I'm back in the demo truck. All right, y'all. It's hot. Y'all see I had to take off my dang on shirt. All right, bye. All right, so we about to see if it's touching. So this is an angle. It's not touching. It's touching the cords, but it ain't touching the port. Oh, you don't want to do a sharp? So it don't touch. So all right, we feel real good about it. It's not touching at all. The tip of the trailer, there's enough clearance to not touch that battery port. So the battery port, the charge battery port used to be this way. It looks like when they fixed it, they put it up like this. So it gives like more clearance. So we shouldn't have to worry about that at all. Now it's really time to get down the road. We got to get to California. So I got to drive. I got to start my shift. So, all right, y'all. Well, thanks for watching. I don't know if I'm going to add any more to this vlog, because I just kind of wanted to do like an update on, you know, the truck and stuff like that. So I'll do a weekly vlog starting next week. All right, y'all. Love and light to you. Peace.